Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a nutritious breakfast bowl with sweet potato, kale, and eggs. Real quick and easy. So let's go ahead and talk about our ingredients. All right, let's start off with the sweet potato, okay? Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. It's a great addition to a breakfast and it's so flavorful. I love sweet potato. Let me know in the comments if you like sweet potatoes. It adds so much flavor into the dish. Next up is our kale, okay? Kale is a superfood for weight loss. All right, it's a nutritious leafy green and it contains a variety of health benefits, you guys. So if you don't like kale, please give it a try. It is so easy and it cooks really fast, okay? So for the sweet potatoes, I cannot load the video of me creating these cubes, but I will create a YouTube short with it, so be on the lookout for that. So I added some easy seasonings that you should have in the cupboard, like salt, pepper, some roasted garlic powder, and so that's what I use to season up my sweet potato. Now with the kale, as you see that I added some butter to my pan, and y'all, kale cooks in about 2.5 seconds, okay? It cooks very quickly, all right? Salt and pepper, a little cayenne pepper, and we're done with that, okay? Very quick and easy for you to be able to cook, all right? And then I'm gonna use the same pan to cook my eggs. So everything was real quick and easy. Everything cooked in the pan. The only thing that really takes a long time to cook down is the sweet potato, because it depends on the size of the potato. The cubes, you know, depending on the cube size, will depend on how long it takes to cook. But the smaller the cube, the quicker it is to cook, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and scramble up these eggs. Once again, easy seasoning, salt, pepper. I do like to add a little bit of turmeric in my cooking, so I did add that in there as well. And you guys, this is an awesome, quick, and wonderful dish for you to have to kickstart your morning. You know, you can have this with a shake, a smoothie, or something like that, or, you know, with some coffee, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of me cooking breakfast. Like I said, if you had avocado, it'll be a great addition to also add to the dish, because avocado is a healthy fat and it tastes scrumptious, okay? So please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully you guys enjoy this quick breakfast, and I'll catch you on the next one.